Nosy 30 guys, let's get it. Hey, what are we doing? What is this? Oh, this is a Hemi 5.7. Whoa, whoa. Alrighty guys. So you got the hood off of this one. Some of them you can get out. Oh, and on top of that, it was a 4-wheel drive, meaning you had to fight with differential, front differential. In this case, just a drive shaft on the front diff. Alright, yeah, you don't have to take it out, but you will have a little resistance. Guys, I know y'all a big fan of removing the battery before you start any kind of major work like this, but my man got this sucker out. He started on it this morning. It is now 2 o'clock. And guess where it's at? Out on the jack stand, guys. Yeah, this young cat here don't mess around, man. Look at that. It's a good time to go ahead and well, that's gonna be done by default, guys. What I'm talking about is the exhaust studs. Y'all know the studs that break on the end. Yeah, here's our new Hemi MDS, guys. Yes, I don't know if I don't know what, like if it was ticking. There's an old engine. I don't know if it was ticking. Hey, look at that, guys. Stud broke. This was actually ticking, but what's amazing is the stud came all the way out. This is ticking on the exhaust. Now, I'm not saying that's why he was replacing it. No, this he's pretty educated on these engines. Look at that. Another one. I don't know if he did that or so I won't comment on it because I don't know. I don't know if they was broke. Normally they don't get that lucky, guys. Y'all saw that 2 studs, one on each side. One on each side is out. Let me let this down a little bit. Alrighty, like I say, 5.7, I think 5.7 Hemi. Now, yes, there will be some transferring going on. In fact, this water pump front cover, the whole front cover, will be coming off to go on the new engine, of course. But there's no front cover on the. This is what we call a loan block, guys. For some of you new guys that don't have a quite understanding of short block or long block. Long block is when you're getting a block, the short block, as well as the 2-cylinder heads. Now, if you got an engine, motor, or whatever y'all want to call it, I know a lot of you guys call them motors. You get an engine in and it had no heads on it. That, my friend, is considered a short block. Now, most mechanics much rather replace a complete engine, guys. Yes, I'm a big fan of long block. I'm a big fan of, y'all heard of Jasper? Jasper will send you an engine damn near complete. All you gotta do is add the intake. You don't even need to add the valve covers because they got the valve covers on it. Some reman or some engine makers, some companies will send you an engine totally complete. All you got to do is drop it in and add the intake, you know, the exhaust and everything. But this is Mopar long block, so you get the block with both heads, but you do not get like a water pump housing. So, but that doesn't matter because we got all that stuff right here. Yeah, even the oil pan will have to come off. Be transferred. It will have to be transferred is what I'm trying to say. But yeah, my man, he don't mess around. See, he got 2 stalls and he can afford to use his other stall to store things until it's time to I really want to know why we're replacing the engine. What happened? Was it ticking? Was it knocking? Did it have, y'all guys, I want y'all to watch a video because I explain this and I got this info from engineer. Chrysler engineer. See, he had the oil control valve out, but he had to take it out in order for his tool to line up. All right. You know, so your tool, you can't put your tool in place if that oil control valve in here. But I wonder if shavings, let's use an example. If the engine was in for ticking, camshaft eaten up by way of lifter failure. Y'all know the drill, guys. Y'all know I hate when people say the Hemis are notorious for chewing up camshafts. Guys, the only reason, or one of the only reasons you should have for replacing a camshaft is because two reasons. One, it's damaged. I didn't say worn out, I said damaged. They can become damaged by way of a lifter that's coming apart. And number two, you simply upgrading high performance. Okay, those are two of the reasons those are two reasons you would see a camshaft laying around in the shop and there's no damage to them. In fact, the camshafts on a Hemi have no sensors attached to them. Like, just say a Pentastar. Pentastar have a tone wheel press fit onto it. So there are times I will have to replace a camshaft because that press fit tone wheel that the cam sensor read is loose. Once that happens, you have no choice. You got to get a camshaft. But these camshafts in these Hemi, they either damaged or high performance. So most of the time you see a mechanic replacing a camshaft on a Hemi is because it was damaged by a lifter or rocker or something. No, yeah, a lifter. So I want to know what I was saying. Yes, as far as where's the old oil control valve, I want to see it, because we're not allowed to try to repair a ticker if those metal shavings reach the oil. In fact, watch this video right here. We're technically not allowed to repair an engine if aluminum shavings has reached the oil control valve. See, Chrysler said pull the oil control valve if you got metal shavings in there.
It's toast.
Right. They said it's time for it.
The 5.7s you pull. If we get a 6.4 and it's like that, you get an engine.
Oh, you ain't gonna even try to.
No. If they say, then we put under. You know,
we recommend
an engine. They didn't want to do an engine.
Check for material lodged in the oil control valve or OCV screen before replacing the camshaft. If debris is found, stop. Engine replacement is required.
Oh, ding, 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 right here, guys. There's no shaving, so I'm not sure why he's replacing it. It's really none of my business. That's why I call this Nosy 30. All right, guys. So I'm gonna take a picture of this, but yeah, this is the oil control valve. You have to remove this in order for your tool to go in place. But yeah, guys, for the most part, I want to know why he's replacing it. The suspense is killing me. I just want to know. So all I'm doing now is taking pictures, guys. But I'm done with this video. This is Nosy 30, guys. Y'all know how we do. Just wanted y'all to see some of the action that's going on. We have a lot. And the suspense is still killing me, guys, and it should be killing y'all. You don't just randomly replace freaking motors, engines. Yes, something had to happen, and I don't know, but I want to know, and I'm aiming to find out, guys. So when this guy come back to this is my neighbor. He worked right beside me. When he get back, I'm gonna find out, guys, and I'm gonna relay that info to y'all. All right. So, but for now, that's all I have, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.